When I volunteer, it makes me feel hopeful. I just want what's best for our world, our planet, our community. And I think the best way to do that really is through kindness and connection. I hope that's something that people see in me. My name is Kennedy. I'm the manager of makeup, category engagement, and brand operations. I work at Sephora Corporate, and I work with our makeup brands so our beauty advisors can service our clients to the best of their ability. My parents met in their late teens, early 20s. My mom is white and my dad is black. Unfortunately, the relationship didn't work out. I grew up with my mom's side of the family mostly. There were 12 kids in my 6th grade class, and I was the only black one. As a teen girl, yes, it's a struggle. I have really curly hair. My family always did a really good job of helping me to look like my peers, to have the same types of clothes, to wear my hair similarly, but it still looks different. I started having this internal struggle where I knew I was black, I knew I was white, but what does that actually mean? Does it mean that I have to sound a certain way? Is it because my hair is curly? I don't know. In junior high, I had acne. My mom tried to help me. She figured that letting me use some of her makeup would cover some of my blemishes, but she's also very fair-skinned, so you can just see flashback of just a white shade. Now I can walk into a Sephora store and find my perfect match. It's just so nice to see that we have these inclusive shade ranges that really are for anybody. What I love about working at Sephora is that the people are so diverse. Everyone comes from a different background. Something I noticed after working for Sephora for the first couple of weeks is that everything is really focused on the community. Although I work at corporate and I don't see our clients day to day and interact with them, I can easily hop onto our website and see how they're reacting to product, how they're supporting each other. No matter their race, gender, they're there for each other. Something that's very important to me, and that's a huge part of my values, is giving back to my community. One of the foundations of Sephora is our Sephora Stands program, and they will donate $10 per hour for every hour that we volunteer. They also do a dollar match program as well, and that's pretty outstanding. Within a few months of starting at Sephora, I started volunteering at City Hope. It's a community center in one of the rougher neighborhoods in the city. It's really about feeding those that are in need and just being able to have that human connection. I'm just very grateful for working at Sephora, for being able to be a part of something bigger through corporate, supporting our beauty advisors. It's this full circle of touch points, really, being able to help the community even further than what I alone could do. Living in this homogenous world, we need to continue celebrating what's different than us and continue to welcome those opinions, thoughts, and values.